So you want to learn how to make extra money? Then pay strict attention and stick with me here for a moment. We're going to show you how to do it. We've created a free report for you called How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money. Anyone can do it. It's an easy to read, straightforward, no-nonsense look at all the things you should consider before starting a side gig or even your own business based on our many years in the game. If you're a beginner, or even if you're more experienced and you're looking for something better, you're going to like this report because it's going to save you a ton of time, money, and aggravation, and it's going to point you towards something that really works. Additional videos in this series will cover excerpts from the report so you can learn more. So who am I? I'm Carl, Marketing Director for WMS, and I want to tell you about our brand new killer report entitled How to Make Quick, Easy Extra Money. Anyone can do it. This report is designed specifically for those who want to start a real, viable business online and who don't have the knowledge, background, or experience to do so entirely on their own. If this is you, don't despair. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Very few people have these skills. Further, we wanted to issue a report that helps you avoid getting burned out there on an internet full of scams on the one hand and just flat out bad crapola on the other. See, the thing is, you've got to know what you're doing in order to make money online these days. And if you don't know what you're doing, then you'd better find a method you can follow that is proven to work, one built for and tested by beginners, because there's just too many ways things can go wrong in this business. Fortunately, we can point you in the right direction. It's why we created this report. Right now, you can jump ahead to our site to get your free report or watch the next part of this excerpt series. This video may have a clickable link that will take you to our site. If you don't see one, the link may be in the description box. Failing that, simply type the link shown into your browser and hit return. Before you go, would you please give us a like and/or subscribe? After subscribing on YouTube, you can press the bell icon and you'll be automatically notified of future web marketing, how-to, and make money online type videos, free reports, giveaways, contests, and more. We'd love it if you'd share the video too. Feel free to share the report once you get your copy. This is Carl signing off for now. Drop by our site if you have any questions. Best of luck! We give away valuable freebies monthly, so be sure to visit our site to win. If you dug this video, please give us a like, comment, or share. Follow, subscribe to get notification of cool new stuff. Thanks for watching.